In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need fast, reliable, and secure connectivity to stay ahead. That's where Fixed Wireless Access, or FWA, comes in, a game changer in modern networking. TERAGO Fixed Wireless Access uses advanced wireless technology to deliver high-speed internet access without the need for traditional wired infrastructure. By leveraging cutting-edge wireless networks, Fixed Wireless Access provides a reliable and flexible solution for businesses of all sizes. Why choose TERAGO? It's simple. Faster deployment with next-day installs, unparalleled flexibility, cost efficiency, and a connection that is always secure. Fixed wireless access is primarily used in urban areas, thanks to its flexibility and rapid deployment. But it's not just for major cities. In locations where traditional wired infrastructure is challenging and/or costly, fixed wireless access can serve as a primary and/or secondary solution. In rural, hard-to-reach, and underserved areas, fixed wireless access ensures no matter where your business is, you're always connected with fiber-like performance and SLAs to match. Laying fiber requires a significant amount of digging, money, but most importantly, time. Fixed wireless skips the mess. No cables, no construction, and no vulnerability to fiber cuts or network outages.
Security is at the core of fixed wireless access. With features like encryption, dedicated bandwidth, and integration with advanced network solutions like SD-WAN and SASE, your data stays protected while maintaining optimal performance.
With fixed wireless access, businesses can enhance productivity, streamline operations, and adapt quickly to changing needs, all without compromising on performance. Fixed wireless access is the solution you've been waiting for. Contact us today to learn more.